there appears to be confusion around dealing with law firms. Is a processing agreement required to instigate legal proceedings?
I'm not sure who you would have the processing agreement with, but we have a legal we have a condition for processing, which is about you have a legal obligation.
Yeah.
So if you're law firms, if you're dealing with legal issues, then you're probably going to be relying on that legal obligation and our legitimate interests. So I don't think you. I mean, if you're a law firm and you're sending out information to a processor, then you would have a contract, an agreement with them in the normal way that any other business would, I think. I don't know if you get anything to add on that one, Gary, but instigating legal proceedings.
No, I think, as you say, it's covered by that condition
Yeah.
in the basis that if you're dealing with a legal issue, then you've got an
You've
got an inbuilt right really to start using.
Perhaps
it.
they're touching on the privacy notices part of it, which is about informing the individual that you're processing their data. Like if you take information, if you have data from a third party and you're processing it, you're meant to give them a privacy notice, but there's various exemptions, and we'll come on to that in the privacy notices Q&A. But essentially, if you're covered under some sort of statutory or contractual secrecy obligation,
Yeah.
or the person already has the data, or you just simply can't send them out data, then you don't have to send them a privacy notice. So
I suppose there's a difference between dealing with your own client and dealing with someone's data on the other side of a legal issue, whether it's litigation or a contract issue. But of course, lawyers, like other professionals, are bound by professional conduct rules, including protecting client data and confidentiality and legal professional privilege anyway.
Right.
So those rules will probably come into play.